Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. So today we're going to play with a little UV resin, and I have all these leftover little diamond drills from one of the diamond paintings I did, so we're going to play with them in some UV resin. Okay, I put a board under there that's going to make that a little harder. So we're going to start with just putting a very thin coat of UV resin on the bottom. So I've got these stuck down to the tape, so that gives sort of a bottom surface. And we're just going to put a little UV resin in here, then we're going to spread that around. All right, so I just want a very thin bottom coat sort of to seal the frame with some UV resin. We'll do this in sort of layers here. Put that under the light for a few minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, now I've got a little base there to start with. Now we're going to put just a small amount more. Alright, and again, I'm gonna put it under the light. Okay, now I've got some paint skins that I cut to approximately the right size. We'll see how well I did. I'm gonna press that down in here. See how well I did this one. This one's got a slide sort of under stuff. All this stuff here. I'm try and scooch it underneath. Shankara Sumana Bhavani Nandana Shankara Sumana Bhavani Nandana Gaiye Ganapati Jagavandana Gaiye Ganapati Jagavandana Siddhi Sahan Gajavadana Vinayak Kripa Sindhu Sundar Savalayak Siddhi Sahan Gajavadana Vinayak Kripa Sindhu. Didn't think this through very well. This one's a lot trickier because it has all this gunk around the edges here that looks really pretty, but it's very hard to get something to slide under. That's about as good as it's gonna get. This is an experiment anyway, so, you know, we'll see what happens. Okay. Next layer. Now we're gonna have a little fun. We're gonna put this on. We're gonna put some stones in here. I don't want a real thick layer because I don't want the stones to float. I'm going to play with some stones. And just drop them. Let's see, where are my tweezers? It might be easier to do this with tweezers. I could, if I wanted, fill the whole thing in, but that would, you know, negate the fact that I put a paint skin in there. All right, we're gonna let that set up a little. Okay, for that round, I decided to add one more. This one I'm not gonna put a paint skin in, and I'm just going to, and I didn't cure it quite all the way, so it's a little bit sticky, which is on purpose, because then I can more easily put these guys in and get them to stay where I put them. And all I'm gonna do with this one is just fill the inside here randomly with a batch of diamonds. Just hoping when I put the UV resin on top of that, it doesn't self-destruct itself. Now we're going to pour some more UV resin to finish these off and put them back under the light. This is what I'm worried about because I really don't have anything really holding these stones in place. So I sort of have to let the UV resin soak itself in so I don't mess it up. Set that real quick before it before it moves again. All right, let's get that setting. Okay, now one thing I want to do before I call these done, because of the way I did these, so I was worried about the backs not being very good, especially on these two. This one looks fine. This one has a nice smooth back. This one's not too bad. This one's got the issues. But what I want to do is I want to put more, I don't really need to on that one. I think that one's pretty good. But maybe we'll put a little. I'm going to put some more resin on the back. Sort of fix it, the flaws that are here. So one of the key points of this experiment was to see if embedding the diamonds in resin would affect their shimmer. So as you can see, when you shine a light on this guy, I'm hoping you can see this, there is an awful lot of shimmer coming off those stones. I hope you can really see that. Maybe we'll try and get you in a little wrong direction, a little closer. So you can see that shimmer coming off those stones. Now, these are the stones I put into that came from this one. And again, you shine a light on there and you get all sorts of lovely shimmer. But unfortunately, I'll push these to the side a minute, bring these guys over. These are the guys we just did. Let me put those where you can see them. And you are not really getting any of the shimmer off those stones, no matter what angle I put the light at, straight up or to the side. I'm getting shimmer on the paint skid ones from the stuff in the paint skin, but those diamond drills totally encased in the UV resin do not shimmer at all. So a bit of a fail on that experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment so I know what you thought. Now, this is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the links in the description box for all the channels in the train tonight, and I hope you're all having a wonderful summer.